So what was I saying? Good morning YouTube, this is Ben again, and here we are testing the sprockets and the chain. Yeah, the whole thing was the chain, it wasn't the sprockets. So the past 2 days I've been testing this in the city. The conversion has definitely without a doubt made the bike a lot more peppier. I would say there's definitely a performance gains of 5% or so, 5 or more. I thought the first 2 days I thought this could be placebo, but then just to sort things out, just to clear things up a bit, I'm taking this to the highway and आज देखेंगे क्या होगा. I mean, pardon me for the for Hindi. I at times get excited and switch to another language. So we'll see. I sure feel good. Oh man. If anyone thinks this is just an eye wash and this is just an eye candy of sorts, I mean, it's just the people and their love for performance mods and so on and so forth, they are wrong. This thing sure packs a punch. The throttle response is instant. I mean, my inputs from the throttle are almost in sync with the rear wheel. There used to be a slight lag, just a teeny weeny bit. I can't say by how much that has reduced, but yeah, to a point where I can notice the difference. So that's good enough for me. And man, oh man, and that's the thing with India. You have all sorts of things on the road. You have the cow, you have people on, and then there you go, a wooden block in the middle of nowhere. And then when there's an accident, people sit and yap for hours and hours about whose fault was it. They do everything in their power to see to it that we live a life of chaos, and then when chaos happens, you're supposed to be answerable for it. Nothing like being on the bike. Nothing. Just kind of is the most liberating thing for anyone to feel. So yep, a quick test of how the sprocket performs from 0 to 60 or a 0 to 100, and we'll be on our way back home. Well, that's how she looks, and so now we are going to be testing it out. A 0 to 100 will confirm things for all of us. It'll not be me just yapping about it all day long and you're not believing a word of what I say. Just the mod, I mean just the chain, absolutely no difference to the sprockets, but for the fact that they are a little bit more lighter than the stock ones. So it's just the chain that's going to be doing it for us. What can a 520 pitch XW ring chain bring to the machine? Recording. Yep. First gear. Hope that did it. Let's just hope that did it. I mean, I don't know if that was one of my best shifts. I just really don't know. I don't want to push the bike anymore. I feel good about the fact that 100 came up that quickly, and I'm just going to be convinced about that. Even if I shave off a quarter of a second, just a quarter of a second, that's good enough for me. This is the thing with the tire. You have to hold a line with it. You have to. The bike doesn't. And if you kind of decide to change, or if you have a pothole, or if you have anything in the middle of the road, the tire just gives up on you. I mean, that's the thing with riding a knobby. It just gives up on you, like in the middle of the road. Definitely not a cornering friendly tire. But then the fun part is, this thing can corner a zillion times better than the road bias tires that I had in the dirt. So it just boils down to one thing, guys. I mean, what would you like as a compromise? Would you want to compromise on the road performance for better off-road capabilities, or would you like to be glued to the roads just because you ride a lot of roads? I mean, I only take the bike out for, I mean, I do take it out on a daily basis, but I truly take it out for fun, nothing but fun's sake. So like I said, the bike means fun to me and nothing more. So I'm back to my chai wala. It's good to see couples running on the road, keeping fit and all that. Nothing like seeing people on a jog early in the morning.